What's up, guys? It's Alcohol Crypto here. In this video, we shall be taking a good look at Ethereum. Given the situation of things right now, we could see it clearly that Ethereum is looking bearish regardless. Ethereum is at a level of support right now. We could see it clearly. I think this pump, whatever pump we're going to be getting today, is not going to be all that bullish because, given the situation of the market right here, we could see it that the market is still very much bearish. So sorry about that. The market is still very much bearish. I really don't know why this is happening. So the market is still very much bearish. We could see it obviously right here that the NATO came a long way today. They made some concessions, which is Trump, and Trump also saying Spain was very generous today. Okay. Broad news. Trump broad news Air Force on Air Force One gifted by Qatar. Okay, this doesn't have to do with what we're talking about here. So Trump attacks on Iran in retribution for yesterday's bombing of ships by Iran. Ongoing US strikes against Iran expected to be bigger than those carried out on Tuesday, US official to US media. So all this right here is nothing but a breach of the memorandum of understanding between Iran and US. And this right here is signaling nothing but bearish signals, which means the market is most likely going to be dumping further in the future, or in short and mid-term. We should be expecting a massive dump from the market. And looking at Ethereum right here, we could see it clearly that Ethereum has only been down how many percent from here? From this level, it's been down roughly 3.8%. Overall, it was down 6%. So right now, I would say the best thing to expect from Ethereum right now is the fact that we have gotten a triple top pattern. I don't know if this is even giving more of a quadruple pattern, but at the end of the day, what we should definitely expect right now is the fact that we are retesting this resistance right here at $1,753. With the look of things, if we get rejected from here, we are mostly going to be dumping all the way down to $1,665. Maybe we'll probably ride a little bit, dump even much further, keep getting moves like this continuously, which is not obviously good for the market. So I think the best thing we should expect right now is this, rather than expecting the fact that, or maybe Ethereum is mostly going to rally. Yes, we could obviously see Ethereum break out of this level, find support, rally, but what are the chances that Ethereum will break above $1,824? The chances are very slim. So I think at the end of the day, we are most likely going to be dumping much lower, regardless of the fact that we are breaking out of this resistance right now or not. So especially when we look at it from the daily time frame, we could see it clearly that we have majorly rejected from this resistance, and we're most likely going to be dumping. Just as we got rejected from this level, we dumped. So I think this is definitely what we should be expecting right now from Ethereum moving forward. And looking at Bitcoin also, we could also see that Bitcoin is also in a downtrend, especially given the fact that, okay, Bitcoin might have broken above this wedge pattern right here. Yeah, we could still see it rally, but that doesn't mean that we're going to see Bitcoin rallying over $68,000. So the market is still bearish regardless. So, looking at Ethereum right here, this is definitely what we should be expecting from Ethereum moving forward. Yeah, we could still see it rallying probably all the way to $1,790. Yep, that is okay. But what are the chances that it is mostly going to be breaking above $1,820? The chances are very, very slim. So I think this is majorly all I can say for now. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe, turn on post notification, smash that like button, and share this video with your friends, guys. Peace out.